I'm at Diwar Island and I'm roaming on roads.
Hello travel lovers, I am here to take you to next location in Goa which is beyond beaches, that is lesser explored Diwar Island.
Today I am heading towards Diwar Island, which is like 35 kilometers from airport and 10 kilometers from Panji. So I am heading from airport. If you are traveling from Panji, then it will hardly take 30 minutes to reach there.
Diwar is a triangular island which is third largest of the 7 islands of Goa, which is almost 5.8 kilometers in length. To reach Diwar, you need to pass through Old Goa and take ferry.
Now I have reached to the end point of the Old Goa, from where we need to go towards the other side, that is Diwar Island. So we need to take ferry from here. This ferry carries all small vehicles and cars to the other side, as there is no bridge you can see. So I'll be entering ferry now and I'm going to enjoy this ride. So this is how my car is getting inside. You need to pay just 7 rupees for this ferry. There are no bridges to cross from for people who are living in Old Goa. This ferry is pretty big. Almost 10 two-wheelers and 4 cars can fit in. When you come to Goa, make sure that you keep one day for Old Goa and Diwar Island. To reach Diwar Island, you need to cross Mandovi River, and right now we are in Mandovi River and crossing this through ferry. You can see other ferry which is taking people from Diwar Island towards Old Goa.
Island of Diwar was once a site of Hindu pilgrimage, and it hosted the temples of Sri Ganesha in Navilim, Sri Saptakoteshwar, Sri Mahamaya in Goltim, and Sri Dwarkeshwar.
After getting down from ferry, I drove for around 4 to 5 kilometers and reached here. So this is one of the main Ganesh temple in Diwar Island. I spoke to one of the local and he informed that there are total 4 Ganesh temples. So I'm going to visit this temple now. Diwar Island is known as Divdi in Konkani, and right now we are at Naveli, and this temple is known as Shakti Vinayak temple.
पहले तो वो चर्च का बाजू में था मंदिर। क्लब हाउस बांधने के लिए इन लोगों ने खुदाई किया ये जगह पे। उस टाइम पे थे हम गणपति का और शिव का भी स्टेचू मिला। बाद में वही लोगों ने इन लोगों का 60,000 स्क्वायर मीटर उन लोगों ने इसको डोनेट भी किया। यहाँ का मूर्ति जो है ना खांडोला में है। बोलते हैं कि उस टाइम पे यहाँ का मूर्ति निकाल के लेके गया। 16 मंदिर है दीवार आइलैंड में। वो पुण्य तीर्थ बोल के उधर ही है, वो सप्तकोटेश्वर का मूल मंदिर है ना। अभी उस साइड पे शिवाजी ने बना दिया ना वो सप्तकोटेश्वर बोल की हिस्ट्री है इसमें।
I'm at Diwar Island and I'm roaming on roads, going through all old houses. I just have one thing to tell you people, that there are no food facilities, or you can say restaurants or hotel in Diwar Island. So either you can have food in Old Goa and then come here, or there are few places, hardly 1 or 2 places are there where you get food. I am vegetarian and I am unable to find veg food here. And luckily, this is one place that is Rockin Bar and Restaurant I have found. I'm going to go inside and have my lunch. Let's go inside and I'll be back. My lunch has arrived and यहाँ पर मुझे वेज खाना मिल चुका है. आप अगर देखोगे मुझे राइस, पापड़, दाल, मेथी की सब्जी, अचार और सैलड मिला है. And I'm very happy with that. I just completed my soulful lunch and I spoke to owner of this place and he suggested me to go to Porne Tirth, which is nearby to this place. So let's see how that place turns out to be.
I enjoyed peeping out of the window to watch every passing house. The architectural charm of Indo Portuguese houses can still be seen in this island. Purne Tirth is place of Sri Saptakoteshwar temple and Koti Tirth lake, which still exist on this island and has 108 carved small temples on it. It is worth visiting.
I have reached at site of Saptakoteshwar. This was temple of Shiva. Historical records suggest that this temple Saptakoteshwar is located at the Narwa in Diwar. It exists during the Kadamba period. The deity was the family deity of the Kadamba dynasty, and later on it was destroyed by Portuguese. And right now nothing much is remained here, but you can still find beautiful architecture which is present of that temple.
Diwar Island hosts three festivals, out of which the famous one is Bondera Festival. It is celebrated on 4th Saturday of August during monsoons. Thousands of tourists and locals attend this festival. Each section of the village has a float at the parade. Melodious music could be heard throughout the village and it is worth attending.
So friends, my exploring Diwar Island is done. So again I am back at the ferry point. I'm heading back towards Old Goa. So we are waiting for that ferry to leave, and then this ferry will get parked there, and then all vehicles will be out and we will be back in Old Goa.
While you enter Old Goa, you will cross Viceroy's Ark, from where you get the first glimpse of the city.
So friends, after spending first half of my day at Diwar Island, now I am in Old Goa. Right now I am at Basilica Bom Jesus. This church is 400 years old and it has relics of Saint Francis Xavier. This church is really big church, and there is another side of this church where museum is there. As you can see, this place is pretty crowded. I would like to tell that this is one of the major attraction for tourists who come to explore Goa. I'm going to take you around this place and I hope you will like it.
This magnificent church is huge and has defining interiors. The mortal of Saint Francis Xavier are kept in this church. The corpse is treasured in a silver coffer. This church is dedicated to newborn Jesus and is now known as a World Heritage Monument.
I completed my visit to Bom Jesus Church, but it is actually incomplete if you don't visit museum which is across the street. Behind me there is a white building, that is museum. Right now, I am at the entrance of Archaeological Museum, which is exactly opposite to the Bom Jesus Church, and you should definitely visit this place as it has some artifacts from different eras which are not to be missed. You need at least 45 minutes to completely go through this museum. Timing of this museum is from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. Once you are in Goa or whenever you come to Goa and if you are visiting Bom Jesus Church, definitely make sure that you are going to visit this museum.
At 10 minutes from Bom Jesus Church, you can visit remains of St. Augustine Church. The church originally had 4 towers, out of which one stands today. You can surely get some good pictures here. So friends, this was Diwar Island and Old Goa for you all. In my next video of Goa Beyond Beaches series, I am going to take you to Dudh Sagar waterfall. So don't miss my next video.